Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.5, Problem 17. This is Section 4.5, Problem 17. It says solve the following. 30 is 12% of what number? So first we need to convert this into an equation, and then we solve it. So to make it an equation, the first thing, the is will become an equals, and the of will become a multiply. So 30 is becomes 30 equals. 12% of becomes times. What number is unknown? So we just use n for number. And now we have an equation. But to actually solve it, instead of 12%, I would prefer to have its decimal equivalent of 0.12. So 30 equals 0.12 times n. Now, to solve for n, what you really have to do is divide the 0.12. So you would have 30 divided by 0.12 equals n. Now, if this is a class you're taking where your teacher will allow you to use a calculator, on the calculator what you do is the numerator of 30 divided by the denominator, in this case 12, equals, and you'll get your answer. Now, if you have a class where the teacher will not allow you to use a calculator, you just do it the long way. So the denominator goes outside of the division symbol. 0.12 divides into 30 how many times? Now, to do this the long way, what you have to do, you can't leave that decimal. You have to move it over as many places to the right as you need to until it's not a decimal anymore. And then the number under the division symbol, you have to move it the same number of spots. So the 0.12 becomes just 12, and I moved it 2 spots, so the 30, if I go 2 spots, becomes, you create 2 blank areas that you fill in with zeros. So instead of 0.12 divided into 30, what you really do is 12 divided into 3000 is 3,000. Now you don't have a decimal. So do the division. 12 divides into 3, it won't fit into 3. 12 divides into 30, it will go in twice. 2 times 12 is 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. Bring down the next digit. The 0 goes next to the 6, making it a 60. 12 times something is 60. Well, 12 times 5 fits perfectly. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. But there's still another digit, so bring it down. You have 0. 12 times something is 0. Well, 12 times 0 is 0. And it goes in with no remainder. So the answer is 250. So 30 is 12% of 250.